Well, part of Military Makeover is taking care of all of our family's needs, and that includes keeping the lights on when the power goes out. And that's why Anker SOLIX is here. Dave, great to see you.
Art, thanks for having me.
Well, you know what? We're glad to have you, buddy. You're a bit of a hero around here. The storm came through last night, knocked the power out for a few hours, but we were still able to keep our batteries powered and keep the lights on to keep working thanks to this amazing setup that you're bringing for our family. Tell us about it.
Yeah, so we have with us today a couple of our portable power stations. So even though they're kind of the little guys, you've realized last night these things still pack a punch.
Amazing.
So on the side right here, we have the C1000. That's a 1 kilowatt hour battery that's capable of 2 kilowatts output. And our F3000, which is 3 kilowatt hours of storage and can do up to 3,600 watts of output.
It could do a lot more than that, my friend. It hooks into the breaker panel here, and all you have to do is flip a switch and you can run the lights, you can run the refrigerator, keep medicine cold, baby formula, anything like that, even medical devices. This can run for days at a time without being recharged.
That's right. So when the lights go out, all the family has to do is come out here, flip the switch on the transfer switch. They can go back to living life like normal. And if the outage does last for longer than anticipated, there's multiple ways they can recharge this.
Let's talk about that.
Yeah, they can charge it with solar. So we're going to also be donating portable solar panels, make sure that they can keep this running if the lights are going to be out for a long time, as well as working with a portable generator. So they can use a gas generator to charge their batteries to make sure that the house is running at night.
You know, I'm envisioning a Mac Daddy campsite out in the woods with solar panels. You can run fans and lights and all kinds of great stuff, music, the whole thing. And then this little guy is perfect, and you're donating 2 of these to our family.
That's right. So both of them are portable. They can take it wherever they want to go. Like you said, if they want to go camping, they want to go to the beach, they want to go tailgating or something, they're going to be able to bring power with them wherever they decide to go.
That is fantastic. Now, everybody needs backup power in all parts of the country. How do we find out how to get a hold of you guys?
Super simple. All you got to do is go to our website. That's Anker SOLIX, and Anker is with a K.
Awesome, Dave. Thanks for being here, man.
Of course.
And you've got to join us on the next episode of Military Makeover because it's the big reveal.